My name is Stephanie, and I'm a patient of Dr. Ramkumar. I have been suffering from back pain for over 10 years, and it was something that was persistent in my daily life. From the time I woke up with a stiff back and then getting progressively worse throughout the day. No amount of stretching or over the counter meds could help me. I figured that this was something that I'd have to live with for the rest of my life since I'd been to various doctors, gotten x rays, and nobody could find anything wrong with me. Last year, I was on a cross country flight, and the pain was so bad that I was looking at doctors in my area who could potentially fix this because I couldn't live like this anymore. I was lucky enough to find Dr. Ramkumar in the Orthopedic Institute. From the first time we met, I could tell that he was someone who really cared about his patients. He took the time to listen to the issues I was having, along with running through his checklist to figure out the source of the pain. Once he put up my x-rays, he immediately knew what was wrong and detailed out my options for short-term and long-term pain relief. He wanted to make sure I understood the risks of getting a hip arthroscopy at a younger age, letting me know that I would be pain-free, but could potentially require surgery in another 10 to 15 years. I trusted him implicitly and wanted to move forward with the surgery and to have those 10 years of being pain-free. He walked me through every step, and I knew that I was in the best care and that he wanted to fix these problems for me. Throughout the process, Dr. Ramkumar made himself readily available and understood my goals of the surgery and how quickly I wanted to be active post-op. He even let me know that I could ride my exercise bike the same day of surgery if I was so inclined. And while I didn't make it on the bike same day, thanks to the anesthesia, I was on the bike the next morning, every day after during the 6-week recovery period. I'd set a goal for myself to bike 30 to 40 miles a day and was able to hit 150 miles in my first week. I was able to do that because the pain of post-op was minor in comparison to the pain that I had been living with for the past 10 years. Almost immediately after surgery, I knew I made the right choice and that having this operation was going to be life-changing for me. I only wish I had known of Dr. Ramkumar earlier in my life so that I could have had this operation and been living this pain-free existence. This surgery has been nothing short of life-changing for me. I'm able to move freely, go about my day, and not have a thing about back pain or be limited in my movements. There is a complete difference in my quality of life to the point where I'm not only doing this testimonial, but telling everybody in my life that if you think you have back pain, it may be a hip issue and you should go see Dr. Ramkumar. I want others to know that there is a path to treatment and they don't have to live in pain anymore. It isn't just about the surgery, though. It's about being a patient of someone so caring and attentive. Throughout the entire process, I couldn't have been in better hands. And I want anybody who suffers from similar pain to know that there's a path forward to having a better quality of life and that Dr. Ramkumar and the Orthopedic Institute can give you that. I also want to thank Dr. Ramkumar for kickstarting my road cycling lifestyle so that I can go on 40 plus miles and climb mountains without suffering from back pain, at least. I wouldn't have been able to do that without this surgery, and I'm incredibly grateful to have a renewed license on life.